Are you looking to highlight your team and turn visitor attention into action? The Staff Members app by Market Push Apps lets you build a stunning professional team section in just a few clicks, display each team member's photo, contact info, and include powerful call-to-action buttons that link directly to their individual services or booking pages. It's the perfect way to boost trust and drive engagement. In addition to the site-wide widget, the app also functions as a plugin on service pages, showcasing the team members associated with each service. The app is available in the Wix app market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app on your Wix site is quick and easy. Go to the app market and search for Staff Members. Click Add to Site. Once installed, add the widget via the Add Elements menu by dragging it to your desired location. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. Next, we will need to click on the Staff Members widget settings. Here, we can configure the widget as well as access the Wix Staff Members dashboard. To see the Wix Staff Members dashboard, simply click on Staff, then Manage Staff Members. Here you should be able to see all your staff members as well as add new staff members. Once you are done editing your staff, click on the Refresh Widget button. We can manage the staff order by clicking here. We can use the original order, alphabetical order, or manual order. Next, let's go to the Staff setting, where we can choose which staff member to showcase and how the button should behave. Let's hide Jean-Luc. We can also choose where the button should link to. You can link it to the service page of the staff member or any other page. In the layout, we can choose from 9 beautifully designed templates to match our site design. In the display, we can choose which elements to showcase in the widget. Finally, the text button lets us customize the text inside the button. We can customize the widget further by changing the color of the button and the font of the text inside to match our site design. Once done editing the widget, don't forget to save and publish to preserve your edits. The app can also be used as a plugin in the service page. Simply navigate to the service page. Click on an empty area, then click on Plugins and add staff members. The app will automatically showcase the correct staff members who are relevant to the service page. You can also customize the app as before. Once you've finished editing the widget, do not forget to save and publish to preserve your editing. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.